Hey, what's up everybody? Real quick update here for you. Yesterday I got these rims and tires. They still got the knobbies on them. These were a direct fit, and I don't know if anyone's been watching, but I've been going through several sets of rims and tires trying to find the best fit and everything, and came across these on Facebook Marketplace. They were, you're not going to believe this, $600 for all four of them. They all look brand new. They bolted up. I don't need any spacers or anything. There was no wheel modifications that needed to be done. So those are on now, and that's one less thing to worry about. I actually paid $600 for the full set, and I can't believe it. It's just amazing. We're still kind of at a standstill on the interior here. It's been really hot. I've been really swamped at work, so haven't got much done. The ashtray assembly I found on eBay, and that's going to be here tomorrow. I've got my rear view mirror. I just need to buy the adhesive to put that up. I've got the sunroof strip is on order, and new black door handles, because I actually broke the driver's side handle, and since I was going to order them anyway, I decided to go ahead and go with the black, because all the trim on this will be black. My spoiler arrived. I do have a spoiler off I think it's off of a 93 GT, so that's going to be a little bit of a challenge. Today the ignition switch arrives, so I'll be replacing that because the previous ignition switch was fried out, and hopefully we'll get fire today. I've actually got a friend from high school coming in from out of town, and so we're going to drop progress on this when she gets into town, and we're all going to go up and have a beer up at Holdfast Brewery, because you know that's just the best damn beer in town. And yeah, this is where we're at on it. Door panels, I think I finally landed on what I'm going to do. We're going to go ahead and do them black, and I'll be making since I want door speakers, but any decent speaker, the magnet's going to keep the window from rolling down. I'm actually going to fur that out with a piece of plywood, since I had to do something there where that speaker hole was anyway. And it's coming along. So today's the day, realistically, where we find out if we're going to salvage this engine, or if we're going to go put everything on hold and wait till I can afford a EcoBoost engine. Alright guys. Thanks dude, my kids play out here. Thanks everybody for watching. Yeah, do the like and subscribe and all that good shit, and we'll have another one coming up soon.